backend development. So whether you're a total beginner or you already have some coding experience, this video is going to be your roadmap to become a backend developer, right? So firstly, we need to understand what exactly is backend development, right? In a very simpler words and terms, it's the part of web development that focuses on the server side logic, databases, and ensuring that the front end of the website or the application works smoothly, right? Like we discussed in the last video, there's in a website, there's a two part, front end and back end. So today is mostly going to be on back end development, right? Now we have to break down the steps so that you can kickstart your journey into back end development, right? So the very first step is to learn the fundamentals, right? Very first thing you have to start is by mastering the basics of programming languages that are commonly used in backend development, which are Python, JavaScript, Node.js, Ruby, or Java. Whatever language that you are comfortable with and you find most aligned with, you can choose those language and you can be very detailed about it. And then you can understand concepts like variables, loops, functions, and data structures, which is very important. So the very first step is learning the fundamentals. Then second step is going to be diving into databases, right? So you have to get familiar with database management systems like SQL and NoSQL, and you have to learn how to design and manipulate databases, how to write queries, and understand the concepts like normalization and indexing. So this is going to be very interesting for you because you have to deep dive into databases in order to get familiar. You have to gain knowledge about server-side technologies like Express.js, Flask, Django, or Ruby or Rails. So you have to explore how servers communicate with clients and how to build robust APIs, which are application programming interfaces for your application. This is something which is really needed in 2024. So you have to get your hold on the APIs, right? Because almost every application, every company uses those. So that is why this is going to be very important, for you to get into backend development. Now, the step four is all about practice. The key to master backend development is to practice work on projects of increasing complexity, contribute to open source projects, and participate in coding challenges to sharpen your skills. So this is going to be very, tedious task for you, but you have to practice. The more you practice, the more you will learn that skill and you will sharpen your skill set. So that's why you have to practice your different difficulty questions on lead code on different platforms, coding platforms, build your own projects and contribute to the already existing projects. So that is going to be the key here. Then the next step is going to be stay updated and keep learning. The tech industry is something which is evolving rapidly, right? So you know that it's essential to stay updated with latest trends and technologies in backend development. So you have to follow industry experts, attend different kind of webinar, and this is something where you have to never stop learning. So that's why you have to keep a check on whatever happening in the industry, right? So going back, we have discussed all the five steps. The first one is learn the basic fundamentals, the programming languages, then diving into databases. Third step was understanding servers and APIs, which is very important. Then step four is keep practicing difficult kind of questions, coding questions, all sorts of complexity. Step five is stay updated and keep learning, right? Keep learning about the ever evolving technology industry and the latest trends. Now you have it, the roadmap to become a backend developer. Remember, it's a journey that requires quite a dedication, perseverance, and a passion for problem solving. So your problem solving skills need to be very good. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on tech, coding, tutorials, and career advice. And if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to reach us out on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook. And until next time, happy coding. Thank you.